If your legs feel heavy, your feet are always cold, or you wake up at night with painful cramps, stop blaming aging. Because one missing nutrient could be silently shutting down your circulation. And it's not magnesium. Most seniors are told to take magnesium for leg problems. But what if I told you that's only scratching the surface? In this video, we're revealing the real reason your leg circulation is slowing down and the powerful nutrients doctors rarely talk about that can help restore it naturally. And stay with me, because the number one nutrient might surprise you. It's the one your body is losing the fastest after 60. Why circulation declines after 60? Let's break this down simply. Poor circulation in your legs isn't random. It shows up as swollen ankles, cold feet, tingling or numbness, night cramps, that heavy, tired feeling when you walk. And here's the truth, this isn't just aging, it's often your blood vessels becoming stiff, narrow, inflamed. And when that happens, blood struggles to flow freely to your legs. Why magnesium alone isn't enough? Yes, magnesium helps muscles relax. That's why it's often recommended. But here's the problem, magnesium doesn't fix damaged blood vessels, poor nitric oxide production, calcium buildup in arteries. So if you're only taking magnesium, you may be missing the real root cause. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. The 4 nutrients that actually restore circulation. 1. Vitamin C, the blood vessel builder. Think of vitamin C as the architect of your arteries. It helps your body produce collagen, which keeps blood vessels flexible and strong. Without it, your arteries become stiff and circulation slows down. Recommended 250 milligrams, twice daily. Pair it with copper-rich foods like sunflower seeds or cashews. Vitamin K2, MK7, the artery cleaner. This is where things get powerful. Vitamin K2 acts like a traffic controller for calcium. It pulls calcium out of your arteries and sends it where it belongs, your bones. Without K2, calcium builds up in your arteries, blocking blood flow to your legs. Recommended 180 micrograms daily with a fat-containing meal. Best paired with vitamin D3. 3. Vitamin B3, niacin, or the blood flow booster. Niacin triggers the release of something called nitric oxide, a molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. More nitric oxide equals better circulation. Recommended 100 to 500 milligrams, immediate release, with dinner. Take with a B complex. 4. CoQ10, the number one circulation restorer. This is the one most people are missing. CoQ10 fuels your mitochondria, the energy engines inside your blood vessel cells. Without energy, your vessels can't expand properly. And here's the shocking part, after age 60, your CoQ10 levels drop dramatically, especially if you're taking statins. Recommended 200 to 300 milligrams daily, ubiquinol form. Take with a fatty meal. Add 10 milligrams PQQ for even better results. This combination helps restore energy, flexibility, and blood flow in your vessels. When you give your body these nutrients, many seniors report warmer feet within days. Reduce swelling. Fewer cramps at night. Easier walking. Lighter, more energized legs. And it doesn't take years, some notice changes in just a few weeks. Comment below, circulation, if you want a simple daily routine to follow. Because the sooner you fix this, the longer you stay active, mobile, and independent.